Hi, I'm Jamie Kondis, and today I'm going to talk about fall weather safety. It's still about 90 degrees here in St. Louis, so it's hard to think about fall, but it is coming. As you're going into fall weather, some things to think about. One, we start using our fireplace in the fall and winter. So what are some things to think about with fireplace safety? Definitely if you have a home fireplace, you should have it inspected at least once a year just to make sure it's still functioning properly. If you have small children in the home, make sure that you have some sort of screen or barrier over the fireplace. The glass barriers are good too, but they can actually get quite hot, and we actually see kids burn their hands if they touch that glass barrier while the fireplace is being used or even right afterwards. So know what kind of barrier your fireplace has. We recommend that every home with a fireplace have a carbon monoxide detector, just because they can produce a lot of carbon monoxide. If you're going to be outside having a barbecue or a cookout, their fire safety is very important there too. Make sure that kids know that even after the fire is put out, it's still going to be very hot, especially if there's coals or wood chips being used, they can still be really hot. During the fall, it's also a good time to be hiking and exploring the woods with your family when it's not so hot. So for kids, make sure they're wearing really good fitting footwear, and that it's not the first time that they've worn the boots or shoes either, because we don't want them getting a lot of blisters. Make sure that they're dressed in layers so that if it does get hot, they can take off that top layer and be a little cooler. And also make sure if it is a sunny day that they're still wearing sunscreen. Even in the fall, they can get sunburns. Bug spray is important. We don't recommend using the combination sunscreen bug sprays, because the bug spray you really only need to apply once, but the sunscreen you want to be reapplying every couple hours. As seasons change, there's a lot of different allergens and things in the air. If you have a child with a history of asthma, make sure you've got that asthma action plan at home. Make sure you've got medications at home. This is just a really big time of year to see a lot of environmental things triggering kids' asthma exacerbations. So have a great fall. Be safe.